Hello and welcome to the Dr. English alphabet and spelling challenge. So the first part, only the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, U, O, I, E, A. Okay, second part, only consonants. No vowels, only consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Spell your first name. You spell it D-A-N-N-Y. Second, the third for B, last name. You spell it G-O-N-Z-A-L-E-Z. Okay, good luck. Bye.